It's almost Christmas. Time for special holiday crafts. I made these paper Christmas trees. Let me show you how. We start with the easy one. It's easy with the printed pattern. You can download it for free on my website. This is what we'll need: paper, scissors, and glue. First, cut out the rectangles. Next, we fold it like a harmonica. Make sure the tree dries on the top. Now we cut out the tree shape. This gives us 8 shapes. We glue them together one by one. We stick the last shape to the first one. And then our first tree is finished. Time for the next tree. For this one, we'll need paper, scissors, and a skewer. You can download the pattern for this tree too. We start by cutting out the shapes. Now it's time for folding. We start with these short lines. Fold the star in 2. Do this for all 4 lines. Now we fold onto long lines. We make these folds on the other side of the star. Use the folds to make a cone shaped like this. Repeat for the other stars. We also need 4 little pieces of paper. Now take a skewer and stack the cones. Start with the big one. Be careful, don't break your hand. Put a little square before the next cone. It's safer when your mom or dad helps. The smallest cone is on top of the tree. Finish by cutting the skewer. Now my tree is done! Ready for the tree number 3? This one is a bit more difficult. We start with the square piece of paper. First, make 2 folds, the corner to corner. Then we fold it half like this. Turn the paper around. Then fold smaller square like this. Now we fold the corners to the middle. Repeat the other side. For the next step, we fold the edges to the inside. Ask for help if this is too tricky. We do this for all 4 edges. cut up the top triangle. we make the 3 little cuts on each side. Take one edge and fold 3 triangles from the cuts. Turn to the next edge and do the same. After all 8 edges, we are done. Look now at the tree. And now for the last one. I want a tree! We will make this tree with scrap cardboard, skewer, scissors, and leftover paper. Cut strips of paper in different lengths. Sort them from short to long. Cut the cardboard into little squares. Glue them together. Put the skewer through. Now we have the trunk of the tree. Let's make some branches. Add the paper strips from long to short and turn them to different sides. Be careful when you skewer the paper. Look, our tree is finished! Which one's your favorite? I got more craft ideas for Christmas. Like and subscribe so we can craft together. See you in the next video. Bye!